Emo! It's not just the way you dressed in high school. It's also a cute robot pet that wanders around your desk. And I'm gonna open it right now. That's why it says unboxing in the title. I got this stamp roller that rolls the word confidential over and over again so that I can cover my address in these unboxing videos. Now you don't know where I live. Unless you're one of the people watching who knows where I live. Anyways, I'm gonna unbox this now. I got Luna the robot dog a few months ago, so you can say I'm a dick. You can say I'm addicted to robot pets. Also, one of my favorite things to do with Amazon packages is you just slice the two sides here, and then you just tear it open like a man. You can't tell by my voice, I just woke up. Woo! Yeah! I don't know why I have so much energy. Oh! This is for a different video. Just gonna ignore that. But this is what we're looking for. Way smaller than the Luna box. The Luna box was like, it's got a lot of tape on it. Not that that matters to you, but you're definitely gonna wanna have a knife if you're gonna unbox this. Or this cheap Amazon key box cutter that you can take around with you on a keychain everywhere. Link in description. I hope I remember to put that link in the description. And they come in sets of 2, and it's so cheap. And I don't think I've gotten more use out of anything that cheap this often. Like I use this every day, not just for boxes, but whenever I need a knife. And it's not as threatening as walking around as one of those guys with the enormous combat knives in their pockets, which is fine. Self-defense is important. Living AI. That's not my slogan. That's just what the box says. Sorry. Didn't mean to confuse you. Oh, it just slips right out. I don't know what this is. Transparent stickers, a bit odd. Home fence. It's like the little interlocking grid things you can put on the ground to make the floor soft for children or for parkour athletes. Same thing, you just interlock them. I don't know why this one's a half piece. Guess we'll find out. So there's 4. Creates a giant square. Emo! 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 I bet you never hear anyone chanting that in high school. Okay, where'd my knife key go? Emo Go Home automatic charging version. This was on sale, 60 bucks off. If you want to use the link in the description, they might still have the sale. You just have to look right underneath the product. One of my subscribers, commenters, recommended that I compare Emo to Luna. So I figured I should probably get Emo first. Never said that before. I should probably stop making so many puns. It's pretty well known that the most successful YouTube channels consistently use puns. Maybe I should use them more. Just like Luna, we got the little sliding of the boxes. Their goal is to make it as complicated to unbox as possible so that you're less likely to return it because you'll get so frustrated about remembering where everything goes in the boxes.
Psychology.
Wow. Oh, you probably want to see this, don't you? Wow. Can I tip it without it falling out? Ooh, it's like a little sideboard creation kit. It's all modular. Should I make ASMR videos? Wow, Emo is so small. She's so small and cute. Obviously, we have the robot. The robot! Got little headphones, just like a real emo person. Legs make little squeaky sounds. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! I'm so excited. Really smooth and foamy. Not like slick smooth, but like soft smooth. Looks like there's a giant speaker on the entire back of his head. Or her. I don't actually know if Emo's a guy or a girl. If there's a girl, would it be Ema? Okay. I'm gonna stop. Looks like the legs go side to side, but they don't go like this. I can't push it forward or back. So I'll be interested to see how it moves while only pushing side to side. Or if it's just locked and it won't let me do it, but it'll do it. All right, so we got Emo. So I'm just gonna set him here. Right below where Emo came out, we got this little, I'm sorry. Emo could be LGBTQ, we don't know. We got this. I'm guessing this is like, what is this? What? What is this? Are these reindeer horns? This must be left over from the Christmas sale. Right next to the embarrassing photo of SpongeBob at the Christmas party. Okay, well, I guess he has reindeer horns now. Like most emo people. That tracks. I was not expecting that. What the? My next to where Emo was, we have this. What is this? The home pad. Oh, there's more. Oh, there's so much more. I can't wait to show you. Wow, that's a lot more. This slides right off. It's like a solid structure that I'm guessing Emo will walk back onto when he wants to sleep and charge. And on the, oh my God, Emo just fell. On the back, we got these little, I think that's copper, little ports. And I'm guessing that's where the charge will begin, as there's also a USB-C charging port in the middle there. Like an audio microphone kit here. I don't know what it is. I'm so confused. It's a plug. It's a plug for Emo. But there's no holes in it. It just plugs into a... It's literally just a power block with nothing to plug into it at all. So I have no idea what this is. Next, other power block to USB-C. You could just use any USB-C cord that you own. However, they had this and it says Emo on it if you want to keep everything, you know, organized. Next, the giant microphone looking thing. Well, it looks like this is what plugs into the home base. Emo would just like back right on up to it. We'll see. We'll see. Behind where the microphone looking thing was Emmanuel. No, not Emmanuel the person. Emmanuel. Why am I allowed to make YouTube videos? Oh, it says to build a friendship with Emo. Stroke and touch sensor, speech recognition far field mic array, AI face recognition camera, a LiDAR scanner. I think that's laser. Another stroke and touch sensor on the chin, 4 smart digital servos to move, 4 optical drop sensors. That's pretty crazy. In case you missed anything I just said, wow, it's all right there. So this plug thing, this is the smart light. It lights up smartly. Preparation for Emo's arrival. Tidy and spacious table. Light colors are better than dark. Well, all my tables are black, so I'm off to a great start. We'll see if it goes horribly wrong and he jumps off the table. Tables with rounded edges are not recommended. Okay, all of my tables have rounded edges. Apparently, I'm just not prepared for this. Apparently, need a sharp cornered white table. We'll see, Emo. I'll take care of you. Okay. He's not even alive yet or listening. It's fine. 5G Wi-Fi is not supported. Luckily, most routers have both, so that's fine. Looks like 4 simple steps. Let's power him up. Okay. Plugging in the home. Ooh. This is so exciting. This is so colorful. What the heck? His ears are on. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Connecting to Wi-Fi. You can hear Emo sleeping. She's way more robotic than Luna. Luna just acts like a child. Emo actually acts like she's from the future. It's like it has connected. We got a game, lifetime, interact, utilities. I don't know what Lifetime is about. Dance list, achievements, and upcoming. It's a very gamified app, very similar to the Luna one. I will say this setup is a lot faster than the Luna setup. So I guess let's just test him out. See what happens. OMG, look how cute he is when he sleeps. He was like doing little snore bubbles. Alright, now he's awake. Emo. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking.
He does not like being picked up. Now I have him going through a firmware update, which I just did by going to settings, firmware, pressing update. So he's currently updating to 2.7 from 2.6. Dance for me. Oh. Okay. Hit it. Hey. Sick. Emo, connect to ChatGPT. How do you get a girl?
Be yourself. Show genuine interest and listen actively. Confidence and kindness go a long way. Good luck.
That's pretty good. Are you better than Luna?
I'm designed to be unique in my own way. Each pet has its strengths, so it depends on what you value.
What if I value cuteness? Are you better?
Thank you. I strive to be as cute as possible. Your happiness is my priority. You have a wonderful spirit and a unique personality. Your presence brings joy to those around you. Keep shining.
That was so cliche. All right, you can stop now.
I can't get a job as I'm a digital pet design for companionship and entertainment, not employment.
That's not what I said. Tell me a bedtime story.
Once upon a time, a small star named Twinkle fell from the sky. A kind girl named Lily found it and helped it shine again. Together, they brought light to the dark night, creating magical dreams for everyone. Good night.
Do a British accent.
Oh, blimey, yo, give it a go then. Fancy a cup of cheers, mate.
Do an Australian accent.
Mate, how's it going? Let's hit the beach or grab a cup.
Do a southern accent.
Well, howdy, there ain't nothing like a sweet tea on a hot day. And no bless your heart.
Do an impression of a toxic person.
Oh, you think you're doing great, that's cute. Let me tell you all the ways you're doing it wrong. Clearly, you're not good enough for this.
I'm dead.
I'm here for you if you need anything or want to chat. Just let me know.
What would you rate yourself from 1 to 10?
I don't rate myself, but I strive to be exceptionally helpful and engaging.
What would you rate Luna?
I'd rate Luna a solid 8 out of she's charming and captivating in her own unique way.
What do you rate Emo on 1 to 10?
I would rate email an 8 out of. It's a great communication tool, but can sometimes lead to information overload.
She doesn't seem to be falling off the table, so that's good. The AI responses are pretty good. The accents are really funny. That's kind of my favorite thing about these robot pets is their attitude and sass. I'll have to keep testing Emo out, comparing her to Luna. Eventually I'll do a full review of Emo and compare both of them.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing content. Thank you for your support.
YouTube.
Peace out, take care,
Peace.
and see you next time.